Today we will show you how to replace the touchscreen on a navigation for a Ford. First, you remove 2, 4, 6, 8 screws. I believe they are flathead or Phillips, doesn't matter. Small Phillips or flathead. And when you remove the screws, it should pretty much pop off. And what we're going to do right here is pop off the ribbon cable, and as you can see, the clip, you just pop it off and it comes right out. And now for the touch screen, you
want to be careful on this one.
Yes, I should be careful with everything, I would say. Don't want to damage anything. So now that we got that off, you're going to gently use a blade, very gently, okay, to take it off. It's very simple.
On this one, you don't need a heat gun. It's pretty easy.
You just have to be careful not to stab yourself or or break the LCD itself. I'll go pretty straight flush, and ta-da! There you go. Always have. So what we're going to do is remove the old glue carefully, and so we can put the new screen on. Just have to be patient and take your time with it.
If you use a sharper knife, razor comes off a lot easier.
Yeah, right tools for everything. Don't use a dull knife or a dull blade. You might hurt yourself and damage the screen. Looks pretty simple. We took the glue off now. You want to make sure you get all the fingerprints off the LCD, because if you don't, you will see it after you install it. You don't want to see your fingerprints. It's going to get you upset. Anyways, so you want to make sure it's totally completely clean, and so you don't have problems. It's not a problem, it's just going to irritate you. It would irritate me.
Alright, we gotta put some double set.
There, now it is.
Okay.
Thank you for watching our video. This is C&H Car Stereo, and if on the bottom of the screen you'll see where to order the touchscreen, and also what vehicle it's for, or what year and model.
We carry pretty much all touchscreens for all the Fords and a lot of other cars, so just take a look.
And thank you.
Thanks.
Again. There, now it is.
Okay.
Thank you for watching our video. This is C&H Car Stereo, and if on the bottom of the screen you'll see where to order the touchscreen, and also what vehicle it's for, or what year and model.
We carry pretty much all touchscreens for all the Fords and a lot of other cars, so just take a look.
And thank you.
Thanks.
Again.